everybody.
Hi, everyone.
My name is Miss Mazen. What's your name?
S-N-I-N-A-H-A.
That's right. Her name is Siaha, and Siaha is our super scientist for today. And today, do you know what we're learning, Siaha?
Yes.
What are we learning about?
I don't know.
You're not sure? Well, guess what? We're going to be learning about water pressure. So you know that normally, if you were to fill a bag with water and poke it with a pencil, the water would come pouring out, right?
Yes.
Today we're going to find out why the water does not come pouring out when you poke a pencil all the way through. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. So we're going to start by talking about our materials. So we have a white basin, we have food coloring, green and
Red.
excellent. We have a jar of water. We have 2 household baggies. And we have some
Crayon.
pencil crayons. You got it, girl. First things first, I'm going to grab my basin, okay? I'm gonna ask you to hold open our baggie, okay?
Yes.
So I'm gonna ask you to hold open the baggie. Can you open the baggie for us, please?
Yes.
With both of your hands. Super. And I'm gonna take our jar of water and I'm gonna pour it inside of the baggie. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, good job. Now, what color would you like? Green or red?
Green.
Green?
Yes.
Great choice. So before we seal off our baggie, we're going to add a few drops of food coloring. This is Siaha's baggie, so we're going to put the green food coloring inside first. Excellent. So we're gonna seal off, we've got to close it up, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's close this up. Awesome. So we added our 3 drops of food coloring inside of the baggie, right?
Yes.
Pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Awesome. We're gonna set our baggie aside in the basin, and now I'm gonna fill up my jar. Could I get your help, Siaha? Thank you.
Don't drink that one.
We're not gonna drink this water, you're right. So, we're going to take this away. And now we have to add 3 drops of red coloring, correct?
Yes.
Can you hold that open for me, please?
Yes.
Hold it nice and firm. Don't let it spill, all right?
Yes.
And let's close it up. Can you help me close it?
Yes.
Close it up, close it up, close it up. Good job. Awesome. And I'm gonna do the final seal right across. Beautiful. So we're gonna shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Can you shake it for me? Shake, 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 shake. Thank you. It's well mixed up now. Now that we have it all mixed up, we are going to grab our green bag. Hang on to your green bag, please. Hang on to it from the top. Awesome. And I'm gonna set aside the red one because we're gonna do one at a time. So now it's the moment of truth. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you set?
Yes.
It's time for
What?
water. Okay, Siaha, let's see how this works. I'm going to ask you to pierce the bag all the way through. Let's see if this works.
It does.
it didn't leak. Is that possible? Go ahead. Poke one all the way through to the other side, Siaha. Poke it all the way through. Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow. And the reason why none of the water leaks out is because technically there are no holes in the bag. Both of the holes are completely covered with the pencils. Let's keep it going. This is fun, right? And you poke one more. And maybe poke it up here. Whoa, that is super cool. Another one. Good job! That's amazing. Are you ready to do the red bag?
Yeah.
Let's do the red bag. Is my favorite part. This is when we get to see all of the water come crashing out. Ready? Pull out a pencil, Siaha. Whoa, pretty cool, right? Keep pulling them out. Keep taking them out. Slowly, slowly. Nice. Good job. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of fun, right, Siaha?
Yeah.
What did we learn about water today? We put it in. We put a pencil all the way through the bag and no leaking, right? And then what happened when we pulled out the pencils?
Yes. And then the water came out of there.
Exactly. The water came out because all of the holes were exposed. They were no longer sealed off. Well, it's already time to say bye to our friends. Bye, Super Scientists!